Hello everyone, welcome to BotPenguin. Today we will discuss about the two types of button in the WhatsApp template on the platform of BotPenguin. The two types of button are call to action and quick reply button. We will see how you can add those buttons in your WhatsApp template and why are they used. So on the left hand side, you'll find the bots option and you have to select your WhatsApp chatbot from the list. After selecting your WhatsApp chatbot, navigate to the WhatsApp automation section. Here we have the different subsections. You can create or manage your broadcast and drip campaigns from here. You can manage your widgets. You can create and manage the templates, and you can also create and manage the catalogs for WhatsApp. If you want to know about any of these sections in detail, then the video links of all of them are given in the description box below. You can check them out. For creating a template and then adding those two buttons in the WhatsApp template, you have to go to the templates section. To create a new template, you have to click on the Create Template button here. Templates can be used to automate your regular messages or even the marketing automation messages. If you want to know in detail how you can create a new template and how you can use all these elements in the template, the video link of how to create a template for WhatsApp is given in the description box below. You can check it out. After completing all these steps, you will find the buttons option at the last, where you can add call to action buttons and quick reply buttons. So from this drop down menu, you can click on the call to action if you want to add the call to action buttons. Here, as you can see, the website call to action button is added. Here you have to add the button text, which will be shown to your customers. For the demo purpose, I am entering visit website as the button text. And here you can choose the URL type from static and dynamic. And you have to paste your website URL here. I have pasted the BotPenguin's website URL for the demo purpose. You can paste the link of your own website. And you can see in the preview, this is how the button will be shown. This button will be clickable. When the customer will click on the visit website button, the website for which you have provided the link will open. This button will come at the end of the message after the template media or the body and the header and footer. We have not added anything for now. That's why it is showing on the top of the screen. Now to add another button where you can enter your phone number, you have to click on the add another button. And you can see this button is used for the calling purposes. Here you have to write the button text. I am entering call now for the demo purpose. And here you have to enter your phone number. And this is how you can use the call to action button. Now to use the quick reply button, you have to click on the quick reply here. This is a custom button where you can enter any text and then connect that button to any flow that you want. For example, I am interested. Click on add another button to add another button. I am not interested. And the third button is not sure. This is how you can add your custom button. This is how these custom buttons will be shown on your template. The user can click on any of these buttons according to his or her choice. And you can connect these buttons to any of the flow that you have created. As soon as the user selects any option, the flow will be triggered after it. After adding the template name, the header, body, footer, and the buttons, you can click the submit for approval button and this template will be sent for approval. And as soon as it gets approved, you can use it for your WhatsApp. Now let us see how you can connect the custom buttons to any of the flow. This is the template that I have already created. To connect your custom buttons to any flows, you have to click on this button. And here you can see the three buttons that I have added. Here you can select the flow which you want to be triggered after the user selects this option. For example, the flow 1 for I am interested. For I am not interested, I am selecting the email list. This is a flow name. And for the third one, I am again selecting the flow 1. And then you have to click on the Save Changes button and your changes will be saved. So that was all about how you can use the two types of button in the WhatsApp template. If you need any help, you can refer to our help documentation. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.